Hello. Yeah, we exploring this little old little teensy bit of land. Teensy bit, look at the colors of the trees. Just a teensy bit of it. Just a teensy bit. That's our quality. Get that footage that the Neo can only get, because nobody's gonna care. Look at those trees. Look at those trees. The wind blowing a little bit, so the Neo fight. Only got 3 minutes of battery life. Look at those leaves falling. Look at those leaves falling, people. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. Perfect footage right there. Look at those leaves falling. Yeah, that's perfect footage. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. We're about to shut it down, people, because we got and there you go. Another beautiful, beautiful flight. It's your boy. The Drone Dreamer. I hope y'all enjoy this nice quality footage. Till the next episode, people. Peace.